What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Spider-Man. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the eyes. So let's leave a gap in the center. Start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out. Let's line at the bottom on the right side and do the same thing. Going up in the opposite direction and then go out. Let's curl up the top of the eye, going out and bending that up. Now from the top of the eye, I'm just going to curve this around and pull that up towards the inside point. Let's start on the left, going out, all the way down towards the bottom. And I just want to bend that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start from the inside of the eye, come down towards the same height, go up, and then bend that in towards that point. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. Let's start from the center, step out, follow that curve going up, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Bring this up and out. Now we're going to trace the bottom of the eye. So follow that same curve coming down, and just pull that up. Let's go back and fill the outside trim of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to draw the top half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out and draw a half circle. We're going to go up, let's round out the top of the head coming in towards the middle, go all the way around towards the right, and come down along the outside of the eye. Now for the lower half of the head, we want to pinch this in towards the chin. So start back on the left, come down, I'm just going to bend that in, then we'll round out the chin, go up on the right, and close off the right side. Going out, and we'll bend that up. And now we're going to go in and start adding the webbing. Let's start from the inside corner of the eyes, bend this in and up from the left and right. And then from that center point, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of the head, right in the middle. Now you're going to add two curves going out along the top of the eye. Let's start on the left, bend this out, up. Now let's go back to the inside corner of the eyes. On the left, we're going to come down and then bend that out. Do the same thing on the right. Underneath each eye, draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the side. Now I'm going to add those webs going across the head. From the center, let's start by curving this down and then up toward the left and right side. Now I want to go halfway between this point and the top of the head, so right here, bend this down and up. Let's go back down, bend this down and out on the top of the eyes, go up to the top, bend this down and out on the side. And I want to continue this curve along the outside of the eyes. We're also going to do the same thing across this web. Go to the bottom of the eye, come down and out. Let's add those webs across the bottom of the head. Start from the middle, curve up and down, step down, add another curve, and add one more across the bottom of the chin. Let's go back to that center web, bend this up and out underneath the eyes, and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.